Holy smokes, you guys. My car just almost got totaled right now. This stupid bonehead. That's what I'm telling you guys. You guys need to get a dash cam for your car. You guys need to get, if you don't have a dash cam in your car, go out and purchase a dash cam right now. Good thing my wife was driving. You know, I gotta give my wife a lot of credit because I don't know how she saw him, right? Slamming her brake. But this bonehead, we're actually making a left-hand turn. And this bonehead decided to overtake us on the left that we're making a turn on. My wife just catch him at the corner for rise and slam on the brake. Man, that would really, really messed up my car and I wouldn't have been happy at all. And the bonehead just kept driving. He just kept driving. Guys, I'm gonna flip the camera around, okay? So, this is the street that we're coming in on, okay? To come in here, we have to make left, okay? So, she has a turn signal on. You can hear the turn signal blinking, okay? And just before she turned in, this bonehead overtakes her on the left. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is, wow. Like my heart is like pounding because that was so close. That was so close. So I got out of the car. Did he even hit? Did he touch? Like, the car is okay. Because I'm like, it was so close, you guys. It was so close. Car's okay. That kind of color, like, I like that. Huh?
A little bit darker is okay.
But I want to blend with the car. See, I like that. That offsets the car a little bit. That looks good.
Yeah, but not that silver that he had there. That was like cheap looking.
It's not even silver. It's like a matte.
Try it. What the hell? What's he doing? What the hell was that?
What a dumb idiot. He overtakes. Oh my god. He's
I have my
overtake.
turn signal on and everything.
Oh my goodness. What an idiot. What a dumb idiot.
Freaking chicken head. It's a good thing I saw him.
What a dumb.
Is this where I stopped? Just like this?
Oh my god. He was overtaking you on the left. Just, oh my god.
Just like that,
wow.
Just
Wow.
like that. The things that can happen.
Ugh.
Come, let's go.
You guys get a dash cam. Get a dash cam and put it in your car. I got the Blackview DR970X, I believe it is, in my car. And that cost me like $700, okay? You don't have to get a $700 camera. Go out and get a camera for like 50 bucks. You can get cameras for like 30, 40, even $50, okay? For good quality camera. Get a camera and put it in your car because you never know. You never know. You don't want to be one of those ones that say, you know what? If I could have, would have, should have. Too late. You didn't record it, so now it's going to be your words against somebody else, okay? Guys, go out and get a dash cam. That is my advice to every single one of you guys right now that have a car that are driving, because we're driving alongside lots of idiots on the road. And you have to be safe. You have to protect yourself. You have to protect your family. Oh man, so what just happened? Like, I'm still in shock right now.
So am I. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. We're right here. Can you show them the streets?
So right there turning in,
Turning in, made a left turn.
which is
Onto,
over here.
this street here. Just a short way, so not driving fast at all. And stopped here to make a left turn into this plaza because we're coming to get something to eat at this Jamaican restaurant. Never been here before, but we're coming in to just have a bite to eat. So I stopped there to make a left turn, making sure nobody's coming on the opposite side. Just about to turn, and some idiots, the best way I could explain it, cut me off on the left-hand side. So as I was turning, he literally just tried to get around me on the left-hand side, going into the other lane. If I hadn't, I don't know, by the grace of God, because if I didn't slam on the brakes, I'd have rammed right into him. But you know, I don't know what it was. Maybe just I caught a peek of him in my side mirror or something. But slammed on the brakes, and he just scooted out and just kept going as if nothing
And he didn't
happened.
even slow down. He just
Nothing
kept going
happened.
like nothing happened.
Yeah.
Right? And so that's what I'm saying to you guys. You guys, make sure you get a dash cam. If you're out there, you have a car, and you're driving, get a dash cam, because you never know when something like this is going to happen. There's a lot of boneheaded people out there, and you're driving amongst them every day. And just like that, guys, man. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. Go out and buy yourself a camera. Until the next video, go out, love one another, get to know God. Seriously, dude. Man, he's got this loud muffler in his car. He's not going nowhere at all. He's literally maybe going like, what, 25 miles an hour. And this loud exhaust, to each his own anyways. Anyways, as always, guys, go and love one another, get to know God, trust Him and live. Peace.
We'll be right back.